So, Bedford CA, rear brake pipes fitted, new front wheel cylinders. I relined the brakes, just waiting for, there's a circlip in there, you can see it in there, which is broken. So I've had to order one of them. So we've got new bearings to go on. This side is now complete. New bearings off eBay. Good old eBay. Inner and outer. For both sides. The numbers are, wherever that went. Can't remember what the numbers are. Remember what the numbers are? Remember what the numbers are for the bearing?
Over in the book.
Yeah, I wrote it on a bit of paper.
Yeah?
I wrote it on a bit of paper.
Yeah, I put the paper in the book, like you said.
Right, so that's the bearing numbers and the seal, which we bought. New bearings, new seal, hang on. Right, and the new seals are somewhere. You hidden the new oh yeah, there it is. There's the new seal. And we had the brake drums done, because there was a train in there on the tracks, so they've been done. So, coming on. Oh, new carburetor. No, another carburetor, because the other one was solid. So hopefully that'll work. Right, so second attempt to start this car. No fuel, because we haven't got the lines connected, but we're going to use brake stuff, whatever it is.
Braking.
Right, so here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
I'll connect the battery first out. Stripping and move.
I don't think so. Try that.
Need it? Need it in the big?
Yeah, come on.
Too fast.
Okay. 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 You know what my valve?
What?
Well, burn the condenser at 12 volt, 24 volts.
Yeah, could have.
Yeah. This is not even trying this time, is it?
Right, plan B. Start again.
Smoke is coming out of this hole as well. Like a breather. Alright. Oh, bloody hell.
Right, we're on the
Mind your fingers in.
um,
You better do your swapping. Take that one off.
Rog, sorry.
I'll
I'll edit that bit.
On the battery, wasn't it?
Right, second attempt. Are you ready?
Go for it.
Everything's connected.
Yeah.
I'll move the sandwiches.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, mind your arm on that.
I might
family.
get
No,
toasted.
there's no bag on it. So that's right.
Oh,
Might
right,
get
right.
toasted.
This is 24, so it's going to be a flash, right?
Okay.
Cool fellow.
Oh, I heard it fire.
You did, didn't you?
Ready?
Yeah. One more.
Flip.
It did fire.
It did fire.
Well, it did, yeah.
Yeah.
And there was no nasty noise coming from the bottom end.
No.
I know, couldn't you?
Right, one more try. We know we need a starter motor. We haven't got a carburetor on it, and we've got some temporary wiring, but we'll see how it goes. Are you ready?
Go for it.
Sparks coming out the diamond. That's starting.
Jammed. Starter's jammed. Starter's jammed. Starter's gone.
Right.
It fired.
It fired, so new starter required.
Disconnect.
We'll assemble it properly, and then at least we know it's going. Next stage is to put this manky body back on the chassis. Somebody at some point has welded the front on, which it might have been me 40 years ago. I don't know, can't remember. I'll own up if it was. Yeah, right. And then we're going to slide that chassis, hopefully, under that body and drop it down. That is the plan. Until it all goes wrong, and then it'll be his fault. Right, body back on the chassis. Not bolted in yet, but it's sat in the right place. So, down to the my mate to start doing the body work, I feel. Nasty old rusty roof there, look. Oh dear. And start doing the inside or whatever.